Hello viewers, today we are going to learn quadratic equations. Before going to quadratic equations, I will take an example. Consider a rectangular hall of carpet area 300 square meter or meter square, you can say. What should be the length and the breadth of the hall? Suppose the breadth of the hall is x meters and its length is 1 meter more than twice of the breadth of the hall. So we know that the area of a rectangle is equal to length into breadth. So what is the area of this rectangle? It is 300. And what is the length? It is 2x plus 1. And what is the breadth of this rectangle? It is x. We shall solve this one. 2x into x is 2x square plus 1 into x is x. This is equal to 300. Now if we take this 300 to RHS, it will become 0 is equals to 2x square plus x minus 300, or we can rewrite it as 2x square plus x minus 300 is equal to 0. This is called a quadratic equation. Okay, now if I put x is equals to 12 or x is equals to minus 12.5 in this equation, so this is going to be balanced. Suppose if I put here x is equals to 12 here and here, so this will become 2 into 12 square plus 12 minus 300. Here I'll put it in the left hand side, so this is 2 into 144 plus 12 minus 300. This is equals to 288 plus 12 minus 300. So this is equal to 300 minus 300. This is 0. So this is going to be balanced for this value, x is equals to 12. This is also true for x is equals to minus 12.5. But this cannot be the value of this x, as it is a rectangular hall. X can be only positive, it cannot be negative, because it is length here and breadth. So therefore x is equals to 12 is the true value for this quadratic equation. So how we got these values, we will learn this in our next videos. A quadratic equation in variable x is an equation of the form a x square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, where a, b and c are real numbers. The condition provided is this coefficient of x square a cannot be 0. As you can see that if it is equals to 0, this term will become 0 and this quadratic equation will become a linear equation instead. So therefore a cannot be 0. I'll take an example. The earlier example of that rectangular hall, it is 2x square plus x minus 300 is equal to 0. This is also a quadratic equation. The coefficients are, you can see, a, this is equal to 2, it is not 0 here, so this is also a quadratic equation. I'll quote another example. 4x minus 3x square plus 2 is equal to 0. This is also the quadratic equation. We can see that these terms are not written in the descending order, but still it is a quadratic equation. You can see that this equation ax square plus bx plus c and this equation 2x square plus x minus 300 equals to 0. These two equations are written in descending order of their degrees. So these two forms are the standard forms of the quadratic equation. This is also a quadratic equation, no doubt. And how to find the solution or the roots of the quadratic equation we will see in our next videos. See you in our next videos. Thank you.